interested in reducing this angle here in dorsiflexion, so we're trying to create a little bit less a degree here at the ankle. So what we're going to do is we're going to come put pressure on the top of our knee here, all of our body weight. Just kind of rock nice and gently back and forward, knee going straight ahead towards the toe. If it goes out past the toe, that's okay. But what we're trying to do is lengthen these muscles in the back and kind of create less of a degree of angle here at the ankle. Not holding it at all, just taking it into that smaller, shortened position and coming back out. Nice and gentle. Taking it in and coming back out. Good. And the right side, same thing. Pressure on the knee here. Coming all the way forward. Good. Yes. All the way forward. And coming on out. Creating a smaller angle at the front of the ankle here. Nice and gentle. Knee straight ahead. Straight ahead over the foot. Yes. For the next exercise, we'll use these small resistance bands. I prefer these TheraBands, but any band will really do. The TheraBand comes in two sizes, the 12-inch loop and the 8-inch loop. The colors represent the weight of the band. The lightest band, the easiest to move, is the yellow. The next most difficult is the green band, with red, and then finally the heaviest band being the blue. For this exercise, I want you to place the band around your toes, kind of nice and high up on the foot. Focus on this angle at the knee so we can get the foot as flat to the floor as we can, plantar flexed. And we're just going to turn that foot in. We're controlling every degree of range of motion, sweeping that foot across the floor and pausing it on the inside. I like to focus my attention on my knee here, where I've put my hands, just so that I can focus the attention on the range of motion that's coming from my foot, and turning the foot in, turning the foot in, little pause on the inside, turning the foot in. Excellent. Then we're going to take a little stool and switch over to the other side and place the band on the same place on the other foot. Take up some tension. Notice the band's nice and high on the toe. Weight in my heel. Attention on the angle at the knee. And turn that foot in. Turn the foot in. Little pause when you get to the inside. Really trying to focus the attention on all of the movement is coming from the foot. Perfect. Turn the foot in. And turn the foot in. Perfect. Excellent pace. Excellent. This time we're going to take the band and put it on the other foot. Same idea, up nice and high around the toes so it's bound to the foot. Same angle at the knee. Foot goes flat to the floor, and we're going to turn the foot out. Pause it on the outside. Turn the foot out and pause. Turn the foot out and pause. Again, you can focus your attention at your knee where I have my hands, and then look down to your foot and try to make sure all of the motion is coming from the ankle. Turn that foot out. Turn that foot out. Little pause on the outside. Perfect. Great pace. Let's switch it. Same thing on the other side. Band nice and high. Take the wrinkles out. Take the time to make sure the band is straight, working on that angle at the knee, and turn the foot out, hovering across the ground. Turn it out. Good. Pause it at the outside. pause it at the inside and turn the foot out and turn the foot out. Excellent. Turn it out. Turn it out. Good. Stay in it. Finish strong. Turn it out and pause. Excellent. Switch back to the other side. This time we're going to place the band on the other foot. We're going to focus on keeping the ankle at 90 degrees. Again, we're going to put our emphasis at the knee to try and have as minimal amount of movement at the knee as possible and focus on all of the motion at the foot and turn the foot out. Maintain that 90-degree angle at the ankle and turn the foot out. Perfect. Pause it on the outside and turn it out. And turn it out. Excellent. And turn it out. Beautiful. Switch. Same thing, other side. Around the top of the toes. 90 degrees at the ankle. Weight in my heel and turn the foot out and pause. You'll notice with your ankle that it feels like kind of like a little boat rocking at the bottom. When you turn the foot away, you can kind of feel your foot rocking underneath. That's perfect. That's the whole range of motion that we're looking for. Turn the foot out. Perfect. Then pause. Turn the foot out and pause. Excellent. Excellent. Same thing, other side. This time, we're going to take the band, we're going to plant our foot, and we're going to trap the band with our opposite foot. And we're going to bring the band up and away. Up and away. Yes, little pause at the top. Same thing, focusing on all the angle, all of the motion is coming from the angle at the ankle. We're drawing that toe up and away. Draw it up and away. Yes. Perfect. Up and away. Switch it up, same thing. Take the band around the foot. We're going to trap the loop. Nice bit of tension. And draw it up and away. Up and away. Good. Weight in that heel. All the motion at the ankle. Reducing that angle. Drawing the foot up and away. Up and away. Perfect. Nothing at the knee, nothing at the hip. Just drawing that foot up and away. Excellent. Perfect pace. For this exercise, I want you to place your heels at the edge of a stair and draw your toes as close and far towards your knee as you can. The knees remain locked. The toes are drawn up towards the top of the knee and pausing at the top. Your hand is placed on the wall for balance. Let's do it together. You're going to draw to the bottom as far as you can and draw the toes towards the knee under control and draw it up and pause under control and draw it up and pause under control. Up. Keep those knees locked. Get to the bottom as far as you can and draw it up. Good. As far as you can to the bottom and draw it up. Making sure you're keeping that hand on the wall. Draw those toes up. Draw it to the top. One more. This is a simple calf raise. Place your feet at the edge of the stair, hands against the wall for balance. Allow yourself to drop to the bottom of the most amount of dorsiflexion that you can and drive to the top of the range of motion. Pausing at the top, control to the bottom and drive to the top with a pause. Let's do it together. Place your feet at a comfortable place on the edge of the stair, a hand on the wall and drive it up. And pause, come on down, drive it up, and pause, come on down, drive it up,
and pause that top. Try to get as low as you can. Drive and pause. Pause that top. Keep the knees locked. All of the pressure's coming from that posterior compartment with your calf. Drive it up and pause. Drive it up and pause. Pause that top. Control to the bottom. Pause that top. Couple more. Good job. Last one. Excellent.